Welcome to Brindavan, a Parthasadi family Samarpanam to our beloved parents, a space for enjoying Vaishnava Sampradaya, slokas, songs, Divyadesa Pasarams, and much more. Namaskaram. Today we will have the Arthanubhavam of Slokams 20 of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama, Ayiram Namangal, Ayiram Gunangal. रामानुजदयापात्रं ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणं श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकं श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं दीपत्यादिगुणात्मकं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिम्.
महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रीनिवासः सताङ्गतिः अनिरुद्धस्वरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः.
The first nama in Slokam 20 is Maheshwasaha, which means Bhagavan. Sri Mahavishnu is a great archer. He exhibited his skills and his expertise in archery during the Ramavataram. There are two instances which really stand out. One is the Setubandhanam, when Lord Rama and his associates were trying to build a bridge across the ocean to reach Sri Lanka to get back Sita Mata from the clutches of Ravana. Lord Rama sent an arrow from his bow and which fell on the ground, and he said, "This is the place where we have to build the bridge on the ocean." The other thing which stands out is the killing of the 10-headed Ravana with just one arrow. Both this is very enchanting and shows us Bhagavan Sri Rama's is a great archer. We will now see some references from Divya Prabandham on Perumal, both during in Thirumangi Alvar Pasurams. And the Nama is Maheshwasaya Namaha. Thirumangi Alvar sang 21 Pasurams, 20 in Periyathirumalai and 1 in Periyathirumadal on Tiruppullani. Tiruppullani is in the southernmost part of India, and that is where Lord Rama does the Setubandhanam. The Perumal is Adi Jagannatha, and Lord Rama is seen to be lying down there on Adiseshan on the grass, on the Darba grass, after he's tired after building the bridge over there. So that is why the place is called Tiruppullani. Thirumangi Alvar in Periyathirumalai 9.4.5 very specifically sings about Lord Rama's archery excellence and how he brought down the Lanka where Ravana was reigning. வில்லால் இலங்கை மலங்க சரம் துறந்த வில்லாளன் பின்போன நெஞ்சம் வருமளவும் எல்லாரும் எந்தன்னை ஏசினும் பேசினும் புல்லாணியம் பெருமான் பொய்கேட்டு இருந்தேனே. He says about Perumal's excellence in archery and winning over Sri Lanka. The second Nama is Mahibharta, which is one who manifested as Varaha or the boar as the third avataram in the Dashavataram series. He took this avataram basically to redeem the world from under the ocean when it was taken and hidden by the Asura Hiranyaksha. He protects the world and he always supports and protects the earth, Bhuma Devi. Some Varaha Chetrams are in Tirumala, the Adivaraha Perumal is the original Perumal there. Next is Thiridavandai near Chennai. Varahaswamy Simachalam is covered with sandalwood paste and he is seen only on the Varaha Jayanti day. In Kerala, there is a temple for Varahamurthy in Varapura. In Kalladakuchi, there is an Adivarahaswamy temple. Halasi in Karnataka, there is a temple. Similarly, in Sri Mushnam, it is a temple for Bhuvarahaswamy. And Hyderabad, Karimnagar is also a Adivaraha Perumal. These are some of the Varaha Chetrams. The third Nama is Srinivasa. Sri is Sri Mahalakshmi Tayar and Nivasam is to reside. So one in whom Goddess Mahalakshmi resides. He keeps Sri Mahalakshmi in his chest. And she came during the journey of the Milky Ocean, Tirupparkadal, to get the Amritam for the Devas. The next Nama is Satam Gatihi. He is the ultimate wisdom of all the spiritual seekers and those who have a purpose in life. So everybody who wants to lead a spiritual life will definitely need the blessings of Sri Mahavishnu. He is the ultimate wisdom. And he does only good for all his devotees. So he's called Satam Gataye Namaha is the Nama. The next Nama is Aniruddha. He can never be obstructed and he is always successful. He ensures that there is no obstruction to his protection his devotees. The Nama is Aniruddhaya Namaha. From here onwards, the Aniruddha Avataram, the root of the Hamsa Avataram, is being described. The next Nama is Suranandaha. Anandam means happiness and Surananda means extreme happiness. He makes the Devas happy by helping them during their difficult times. There is also a reference to Hamsa Avataram during this explanation of this Nama. There are several references of Hamsavataram of Perumal in Divya Prabandham. We will see a few of them. The Nama for this is Suranandaya Namaha. We will see three references to Hamsavataram in Divya Prabandham. Tirumangi Alvar in his Periya Tirumozhi 5.1.9 and 5.3.8 refers to Hamsavataram. 5.1.9 is reference to Pullabudangudi, Valvel Rama near Kumbakonam. Tunni mannam vennadam தோன்றாது இருளாய் மூடிய நாள் அன்னமாகி அருமறைகள் அருளிச் செய்த அமலனிடம் மின்னு சோதி நவமணியும் வேயின் முத்தும் சாமரையும் பொன்னும் பொன்னி கொணர்ந்து அலைக்கும் புள்ளபூதங்குடிதானே. So he says how Perumal gives the Vedas in his Hamsavatara, and that Perumal is seen in Pulabudangudi as Valvel Raman. The next reference of Tirumangiyalvar of Hamsavataram in Periya Tirumazhi is 5.3.8 on Thiruvallarai, Pundarikaksha Perumal. முன்னே இவ்வுலகு உணர்வின்றி இருள்மிக உம்பர்கள் தொழுது ஏத்த அன்னமாகி அன்று அருமறை பயந்தவனே எனக்கு அருள் புரியே மண்ணு தேகை சூதகம் என்றிவை மரத்திடைச் சுரும்பினங்கள் தென்னவென்று வண்டின் செய்முறல் திருவள்ளரை நின்றானே. So he says the Perumal in Thiruvallarai, Pundarikakshan, grace me as those days you gave the Vedas. Annamai and Arumare Payandavane. In Hamsavatara, you brought the Vedas those days. Nammalvar in his Thiruvaimozhi 2.10.10 on Thirumalinjolai sings about Perumal Hamsavataram. சூது என்ற களவும் சூதும் செய்யாதே வேதமுன் விரித்தான் விரும்பிய கோயில் மாதுருமயில் சேர் மாலிருஞ்சோலை போது அவள் மலையே புகுவது பொருளே. So this is the Perumal in Thirumalinjolai, Vedamun Virattan. Before the Vedam, he was there. That is Hamsavatar. We will now see the Nama Govinda. Go has several meanings. It means speech, it means cow, it means earth. When we reference it to Perumal, he is the receiver of the words of praise. He is praised by the gods for the help rendered to them. He retrieved the earth from the depth of the ocean, so he is called a Govinda. The next is about cows. He is the protector of the cows. Gam dadati in the Govinda. These are a few of the artham or the meaning for go. So Govinda, he protects the cows, so he is Govinda. He is the receiver of the praise from the lords, so he is a Govinda. He is also Govinda because he retrieved the earth from the depth of the ocean. Nama is Govindaya Namaha. The last Nama in Slokam 20 is Govidam Patihi. He is the protector of those who have knowledge of the Vedas and those who worship him. He protects them at any cost, and he is the only one who can protect them. So, one should meditate upon the Atma as the Hamsa is the incarnation of Perumal and enjoys the sacrifice offered to him. So he is Govidam Patihi. He is the enjoyer of the sacrificial offerings. Govidam Pataye Namaha. So to summarize Slokam 20, he is an excellent archer, Sri Mahavishnu, in his Ramavataram, exhibited his archery excellence in the Setubandhanam and killing of the 10-headed Ravana. He is the wisdom of the spiritual seekers. The goddess resides within him, Sri Mahalakshmi, and he carries her very close in his chest. He is the ultimate wisdom of the spiritual seekers. He is never obstructed and ensures there is no obstruction to his protecting his devotees. He makes the devas and gods happy, as seen in Hamsavatara. He is the receiver of praise, retriever of the earth from the depth of the ocean, and he protects the cows. Hence he is Govinda. He is the protector of those who have knowledge of the Vedas, so he is Govitampati. This brings us to the end of Slokam 20. See you all in Slokam 21.